So hello guys, let's start with our code. So for that, first we create a new folder named blog automation, and in that folder we create two more folder named frontend and the other one name is backend, as both the folder will contain the frontend and the backend code respectively. So first we start with the backend. Open this folder in the VS Code. Once the folder is open, open your terminal. The shortcut for the terminal is Control and the backtick key on the keyboard for the Mac. Now, once the terminal is open, write command npm init. Give your package name. Here I give blog automation and press enter. Once you find the author name, write your name, press enter, and then enter. Then you saw a package.json file here, and also install some dependencies. The first dependency we install is Express, Mongoose, JSON Web Token, .env, CORS, bcrypt, and press enter. We have write the spelling of bcrypt incorrect, so the correct spelling is bcrypt. Once all the dependencies is successfully installed, you will saw in your package file. Now we will create the directory of this folder, and here we follow the MVC architecture, which is models, view, and controller. For the model, we create a folder model, and we create a new folder in the root directory named controller, and we create another folder with name routes, and in the root directory itself we create a file server.js, and in package.json file we change the index.js to server.js. Now close this package.json, and in the root directory create new file .env, and in that env file paste your Mongo URI, which I tell you how to create in the starting of this video. Paste this like this. Here we use the password and the username. Now everything is done. First we will create the controller of our code. So before jumping to the controller, we first create the models. So our model name is user model.js, and the other model name is skill model.js. Now for the user model, we will create the user model. So the user schema will follow a username, email, password, and a profile image. So here we use username as the type of string, and which has the required is true, same as email, and the same is for password. Here the min length of the password is 6, and the profile image is also for string. The type of the profile image is also string, and the default is profile.jpg. that can also be handled in the front end, but let it be here only. Once this is our user schema, and for that, before saving our object in our database, we want to hash the password, so that there is no